Hi guys, I literally got this question the other day, added to a question bank, applying for a job in emergency medicine. The question they were asked was, tell us about your past experience. And this is exactly the type of question that I'm going to talk to you about and explain to you how you can be most effectively prepared for and give a really cogent, great answer to in my free doctor job interview skills training that's going on right now. So if you want to take access of some of my free training, I am an expert in this area. I've literally coached hundreds of other doctors just like yourself to better prepare for the medical job interview and get the job that they deserve. Then click on the link in the registration. It's completely free.